Welcome everyone, it's Wisdom here, and in today's tutorial I'll be giving you a quick overview of how to use AutoCAD. You get, so even if you're a beginner, you've never used this amazing software before, I'll guarantee you at the end of this tutorial you'll be able to use this software even as a beginner. Okay guys, before we start this tutorial, permit me to introduce you to my recently completed project which I designed in another software before exporting to AutoCAD. That's why you need to have a good knowledge of AutoCAD before you can be able to do well in either architectural or structural design. So guys, this is the design. As you can see, this is the first floor plan, this is the staircase area, and this is the second floor plan. These are the front side elevation, and this is also the back side elevation. If you look very well, you see the roofing plan. This is the roofing plan, and here also we have the section. This is section of the roof and section of the staircase. This is also the section. Get, if you come over to this side, you see we will have the structural design or structural drawing. You get, these are all the grids. Look at the placement of the columns and the column base. Look at the grids and all that. You get, so if you hover over to this section, you see the column, and sorry, the beam details. These are all the beam details, and this is the bill of quantity. From here you can be able to get your bill. You get, so okay, this is also the beam details. Look at the section and all that. So if you want to learn how I do all this, I will advise you to quickly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. By so doing, it will get you notified whenever I post relevant videos with respect to architectural or structural design. You just have to hit the subscription button, hit the bell icon, and then like this video. It will help YouTube to also push this video to other individuals who are also interested in civil engineering and architectural works. Okay guys, let's get started immediately. Okay, first of all, you need to have the requirement for you to be able to use AutoCAD. You need to have it installed in your system. You need to have AutoCAD installed in your system. So once you open the software, it will take you to this environment you're seeing now. As you can see, look at this big square which says start drawing. Before you start any project, you need to click on the software, open it, will take you to this environment, and then you now click on start drawing. So I'll click on start drawing. Cool. Now this is your environment, this is your working environment in which you can start drawing. So for today's video, in this particular video, I'll be showing you all the tools, the basic tools you need to know how to use so you can be able to use this software effectively. So the first tool I will be introducing you to is the line tool. You get, now there are two ways of opening a tool in AutoCAD. It's either you go to this line, as you can see this place in my screen. It's either I click on this place, uh, or you use the shortcuts. But we'll be using two of the methods, you get. But for the first one, let's click on the line tool. I've clicked on it. Once you click on it, you can now come over to your working environment, click and then shift your mouse and then click elsewhere. After that, just click escape. Press escape in your keyboard. You've drawn a line. You get. So the other method, which is the shortcut method, is to press L in your keyboard. Once you press L, it will give you an option of line. Click on line, then still click on your working environment, then draw and click elsewhere, then still hit escape. So you've successfully drawn a line using AutoCAD. The next tool we're going to be considering is the polling line. You get. Polling line and line does the same thing, but the difference is I'll be showing the difference later on. But just know that polling line I also use to draw line. As you can see, if I click on polling line, I click here, I can see click here, then I press escape. As you can see, as the name implies, polling line, you can be used to draw a line. Okay guys, the next tool we'll be considering is the circle tool. For you to use this tool, you just have to come over to this place, click on circle, then come to your drawing area. Sorry, come over to your circle, click on it, then hover over to your environment, click and draw. So you've effectively produced a circle. So let's look at another tool, which is the rectangle tool. Click on it, click on your environment and draw. We've produced the rectangle. The next tool we're going to be looking at is the hash tool. The hash tool. So for you to use this tool, remember I told you you can either click on it or use the shortcut method. So just click on the hash tool. Sorry. Click on the hash tool. Come over to this circle you created. Click on it. As you can see, this place is now hashed. Get. Okay guys, next we're going to be looking at how to move tools. If you want to move a particular drawing, if you want to move it to another location, how can you do that using AutoCAD? So first of all, you need to click on the drawing you want to move. I want to move this circle. Okay, let's say I want to move this line. I click on it, then I go over to my tools bar box. I click on it, then you come to the object again, click on it, then you move. As you can see, I can move it to anywhere I like. So let's now look at how to copy objects using AutoCAD. So you click on the object you want to copy, then come over to the copy tool, or you can easily press C in your keyboard. Look at copy, click on it, then go back again and click on the object you want to copy and drag. As you can see, you've copied it. You get. Okay, the next tool we're going to be looking at is the mirror tool. If you want to produce a mirror object, okay, let's produce a let's say triangle. Let's just produce a triangle. So guys, for you to mirror this triangle, you need to click. As you can see, I told you guys I'm going to tell you the difference between line and polling line. As you can see, I did this drawing using line, and I can't work with all of the line. So the best tool you can use to produce a joint object is the polling line. So I'm using the polling line. I've produced a rectangle. So if I click on this thing now, everywhere is highlighted for the polling line. If I press escape and click on this one, as you can see, it's only one part that is highlighted. So that's the difference between line and polling line. So if I want to produce a mirror of this particular triangle, I'll just click on the triangle, click mirror, click on the triangle again, then flip. They'll ask me if I want to erase source. I'll say yes. As you can see, I've mirrored this triangle. You get. So the next tool, which is a very important tool, I'll be showing you now, is the offset. You get. So let's say I want to offset this line. I'll click on it, click on offset. Let's say I want to offset, let's say 1000. Click enter. You can see I've offsetted this particular line. You get. Offset simply means shifting it away from its original position, then retaining the former position. So another important tool we are going to be looking at is the trim tool. If I want to remove this particular side of this object, I'm going to use the trim tool. So for you to use this tool, first of all, I'll hit escape, highlight what I want to trim, click on trim. Okay, this is trim. Go back, click on the part you want to remove. As you can see, I've removed it effectively. So guys, these are the basic tools you need to know for you to be able to use AutoCAD effectively. In my next video that is coming up, I will show you how to design a complete a building plan from start to finish using AutoCAD. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, just hover over to the description of this video, um, click on subscribe, then click on notification icon, and then like this video so you keep notified whenever I post relevant videos with respect to civil and architectural designs. Thank you.